do a video to show you my 10 by 10 LED board that I've built. I'm very excited about this. I've been building it for several months, and obviously because we're all in isolation at home now, I've actually got some time to finish this off. It's not quite done yet, but obviously I'm so excited to want to share it with you guys and show you what it does. So a couple of thanks to people. First of all to Lorraine, who helped me out with the LEDs and getting them to work. Tim Morris as well for helping me with the frame, and anybody else who's donated wood or ideas. Pimoroni as well for the unicorn Python module, which I've basically rewritten to cover 100 LEDs. And here it is. So before you get a quick demonstration, just to give you a kind of idea of the scale, here's the banana test. So bog standard banana. You can get an idea of how big this is. A couple of broken tops here. This is when I was drilling the holes in the back, and the wood split, but it still works when it's on, and you can't really see what the problems are. So the last thing to do then is to take these glass bottles, and I've got 100 of these, and they are going to all be sprayed white, and then the plan is that I will screw them all in, and it will create a kind of diffusion effect on the LED board. You can take them off, you don't have to use them if you don't want to, but it just kind of diffuses the light a bit and makes a nice effect. Just quickly show you the back. So power in there, hook it up to the Raspberry Pi. These fold in as well, these arms, they fold in that way so that you can carry it around with you. And yeah, that's it. Giant LED screen or board. I'll stop talking now because you probably want to see the LED board in action, but don't forget to check out how I made it as well if you're interested. That video is posted as well, and I'll come back later and show you the bottles on it, the diffusion effect, and I'm also building a game of battleships, so look out for that later. Hope you're all well, stay safe, and thanks for watching.